the happiest holiday destination in the world, and it's no wonder. It's hard to compete with 300 sunny days per year, especially when Lisbon is also crowned as Europe's best culinary destination. The city of the Seven Hills, however it looks like you travel through centuries, is among the top 5 European cities best prepared for tech-driven futures. Welcome to Studio Catalog number 2, a curated collection of Lisbon footage. Walkability is another of Lisbon's mood boosters. Lisbon even launched a walkability app to crowdsource pedestrian experience feedback. Some areas like Alfama are fully pedestrian. Its maze of alleys is so narrow a car could never squeeze through. Did you know that Alfama's name comes from Arabic alhama, meaning the hot bath? During the time of Moorish rule, this part of Lisbon was known for its natural springs and warm waters that once ran through the area. Your fitness level will improve in no time, conquering all those hills. Or you might cheat and get an elevator to take you to a Miradouro. That's how they call a viewpoint in Portuguese. Miradouros are an undeniable part of Lisbon's charm, just like its azulejos, another echo from Moorish times. Lisbon today is a patchwork of styles: Moorish, Gothic, Manueline, Baroque. After the tragic earthquake of 1755, the city was rebuilt on a rational grid with hidden wooden frameworks inside the walls. This so-called Pombalin cage was one of the world's first anti-earthquake constructions. And talking about modern constructions, Lisbon boasts the Vasco da Gama Bridge. At 12.3 kilometers, it's Europe's longest. But beyond science and engineering, there is magic: Lisbon's light itself. Filmmaker Wim Wenders turned it into a character in his Lisbon story. This footage can become part of your Lisbon story. Contact for licensing and custom content.